So this is how you can easily transfer money from PayPal to Revolut. So I'll be going through this quickly so you won't get bored or, confused. First of all, make sure that your Revolut and your PayPal have been linked. The first step you're going to want to do is tap on your wallet, tap on the link bank, and then follow the instructions. The process is similar when you're linking your Revolut account through the PayPal app. And here are the steps. Tap on your wallet, click on the plus button across from banks and cards, and then tap on the bank section. Next, you're going to want to follow the instructions, and then, of course, you're going to choose either Revolut or PayPal, whichever you're connecting from and to and from. Now, after you've linked the accounts, you can now send money from PayPal. Like the account should just be there where you can send from Revolut to PayPal or PayPal to Revolut. It's actually quite easy. Like you will see that there is an option to send money between the two within your homepage. Now, let's talk about the fee. Is there a PayPal to Revolut fee? As long as there isn't any currency conversion involved, you shouldn't pay a fee to send money from PayPal to Revolut. So if you're sending money, you don't have to worry because there is no fee. But if it is a currency conversion, like you're sending USD to AUD, then of course it's going to be charged for the currency fees. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All you have to do is link both accounts with these steps right here. And after that, you will see on your homepage that you can now send from Revolut to PayPal and vice versa. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works.